Is it possible to travel with just a sling bag? Recently, I've been seeing some of these extreme minimalist travel packing videos pop up on my feed and wondered if traveling like this is actually possible. I believe if you consider a few key things, it's actually easier than you might think. The first thing to consider is your sling bag, and the one we're packing up today is from the brand PacSafe. This is their 5-liter urban sling, and I believe this is going to be a perfect size for a weekend trip. It's not too small where you can barely fit anything inside, but it's also not too large where you start to get into that messenger bag territory. There are a ton of good slings out there this size, like the Rework Toshi, the Bellroy Transit, and the Air Day Sling Max, along with many others, so you have plenty to choose from. The second and most important thing to consider is your clothing. No matter what kind of bag you use for travel, clothing is always going to be what takes up the most amount of space. So when you are bringing a small sling like this on a trip, it is super important to pack clothing that is designed for travel. I've really been loving these Threshold crewneck shirts from the brand Bluffworks recently. These performance t-shirts are soft with a little bit of stretch to them, while also feeling really durable. The fabric is made up of 66% polyester, 29% lyocell, and 5% elastane, making it breathable, wrinkle resistant, and my favorite part, odor resistant. And because of that, you can wear these shirts for multiple days in a row without them smelling, making it really easy to pack for a trip like this where you're just bringing along a sling. Another great part about these shirts is they come in the classic fit that I have on here, as well as a slim fit. You can also choose between a regular length or a tall cut. I'll also be wearing their Ascender chinos for this trip because they are made with lightweight 100% polyester fabric that wicks moisture, repels water, and resists wrinkles and odor. These pants are also EDC friendly in that they have 10 total pockets, including 2 phone pockets and 3 zippered pockets, so it's really easy to carry a bunch of smaller everyday carry items with you, which frees up some space inside the sling. Shout out to Bluffworks for sponsoring this video today. Be sure to check them out at the link in the description. The final thing to consider is your toiletries. Bringing only the toiletries that you need is going to be an essential part of being able to fit everything inside the sling for a weekend trip. Things like shampoo, conditioner, and soap are always going to be included in your hotel or Airbnb stay, so be sure to leave those things at home. Also be mindful of the size of your toiletries. Travel size compact toiletries are the way to go for trips like this. So now let's go ahead and pack this sling out for a weekend trip. All right, so here is our bag from PacSafe, all ready to be packed out. And I think we should first start with our toiletries. So let's bring over the essentials for this trip. We have our Smart Floss, our toothpaste. We'll want to bring a toothbrush, some hand cream. I'm going to bring this tiny little comb. It's going to fit in nicely with those other small toiletries. We've got some chapstick, a little mini deodorant, and then lastly, we'll bring a little thing of face wash. So those are gonna be all the toiletries that we bring along on this trip. And like I said previously, the shampoo, the conditioner, the soap will all be available at the hotel or Airbnb, so we don't need to bring those along. This should suffice for a weekend trip. So if we open up this bag, you're gonna see there are some compartments in the back and then a big zipper pouch here in the front. And that big zipper pouch area is where I'm going to put all of my toiletries for this trip. So we're just gonna act like this is a big toiletries bag here and just kind of place everything inside. And it's nice, this little mesh will keep it separate from the clothes, separate from our accessories there. And yeah, you kind of just have like a little toiletry pouch built into the bag. So the next part of this pack out will be our accessories, and those will be all in this kind of back panel here, and then we'll leave all this space in the middle for our clothes. So the first thing I'll want to bring is my passport, of course. If I'm traveling, I'm going to need that. Also, I always like to bring along a pen and a notebook. We'll make sure to add those. Next, we just have our little Ambernick video game. Yeah, this one's great. Thousands of games on here. I always like to bring this along on trips. Next, we have our AirPods. Really easy to pack and put in there. Don't take up too much space. And then we have a charger for our phone and electronics. So that's gonna be all of the accessories that I take along. Just basically what I need. So let's start here with this little back pocket, this RFID safe pocket. This is gonna be a good spot to put our passport, of course. It's kind of built for that, or for like your wallet. But back there, we'll put our passport. It fits very nicely in there. Next, let's pack out some of these front ones. We'll take our notebook, put that in that pocket, take our pen, throw that in there. We can always put another pen in here. I have no use for it really. One is fine for this trip, so we'll just leave it like that. Other than that, we'll take our Anbernick emulator. We'll put that in here with our notebook. It can share that pocket easily. And then back here is where we're gonna put our charger as well as our AirPods. So you can see everything is starting to pack out pretty nicely. So that just leaves us with this big open spot in here. What we're gonna do is just bring some essential clothing items. Like I mentioned before, if you go with a travel brand for your clothing, this is gonna make the trip so much easier. I really like Bluffworks. As you saw previously, I was wearing the blue version of this Threshold shirt in the other shot where I was standing there. But yeah, these shirts are fantastic. So for this trip, I will be wearing the blue one while I'm traveling, the pants that you saw earlier, those chino pants as well. And then of course, like I'll have a coat on top of that. But when I get there, I'll just have this one shirt to be able to change into throughout the trip. Since they are odor resistant, it makes it really easy to just travel with that. All right, next. I never skimp on boxer briefs, so we'll definitely take 2 pairs of those. So the one I am wearing while traveling, as well as the 2 for the long weekend trip. Also with that, same thing with socks. I'll bring 2 pairs of socks because I want clean socks when I'm there. So I'll definitely be bringing 2 pairs of socks along as well. And then lastly, I'll just bring a pair of gym shorts. I like these ones from Adidas. I usually bring these along, but they're just, yeah, super comfortable, a little stretchy in the back, but just a nice pair of gym shorts that I can kind of lounge around in and that kind of stuff for the weekend. So in addition to what I'm actually wearing on my body when I travel, this is it for clothes. So super simple pack out. But yeah, if we open up this, we can kind of just place our t-shirt in there. On top of that, on this side, let's go ahead and put our boxer briefs. We can add in our shorts to the side here. And then our 2 pairs of socks can kind of just fit in nicely like that. So you can see we're all packed out. Toiletries in the front, clothes in the middle, and then accessories in the back. But let's see, it's gonna be a relatively tight fit, but I think we can do this. Let's see. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Look at that. So yeah, that is nicely packed out, but it's not too bad, to be honest. It's not like super overflowing with stuff. Yeah, packed up pretty decently. And then with these PackSafe ones, you can actually lock this up as well. So yeah, we're all ready to go on our trip. So what do you think? Could you travel with just a sling for a weekend trip? Honestly, if you stick to those key considerations, I think it's 100% possible. And just imagine going through the airport with only this sling. It's gotta be so freeing. So with that, I just wanna say, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.